A modern person is thought to be completely reliant on gadgets like smartphones or laptops, but that's a far cry from the truth. Are you wondering how true this is? Wait till the end of the video. Being in the wilderness with no emergency tools can be very scary, but with our number 10, you definitely have fewer worries. Have you ever witnessed any disastrous event? Well, our number 1 is a must-have for everyone. So here are the 10 coolest devices that can save your life. Number 10. Lifesaver. Power supply for wilderness survival, the gadget comes with a breakthrough USB power generator, light, siren, UV water purifier, and plasma fire starter. The gadget is the ultimate companion for backcountry survival. It will surely become your mechatronic MultiTool for every emergency. Not only is the gadget an inexhaustible cell phone recharger, but it also functions as the hub for energizing custom accessories. These snap-in tools are compact, lightweight, reliable, and less expensive. With this gadget, you can enjoy the wilderness without worrying whether your cell phone battery will survive the trip. Cell phones are essential tools in case of an emergency, but when it runs out of power, there's no way to call for help when the need arises. With this gadget, you can recharge your phone at any time, indoor or not, with a simple ergonomic motion that even a child can master, and in just 15 minutes, using the simple twirling motion of a jump rope, you can generate enough power to restart a dead cell phone. Or you can reduce the required energy in as little as 3 minutes by using your full forearm to power crank the gadget. Number 9. ZipStitch Wound. ZipStitch sutures are a must-have item in your first aid kit. Everyone should have this ZipStitch first aid in the house, office, or when you travel. The ZipStitch laceration kit helps your family and friends when unwanted situations occur. The ZipStitch sutures can be stored anywhere in the house, in your car, in the office, or suitcase when you travel. ZipStitch is a surgical quality wound closure gadget. It effectively treats minor cuts in seconds. The gadget comes with a convenient, easy-to-carry envelope with complimentary supplies to treat your wounds, including a gauze pad to stop bleeding, alcohol wipes to clean wounds areas, ZipStitch sterilizer, and bandages. Each ZipStitch can close a wound up to 1.5 inches long and can be joined together for larger length wounds or cut in half for smaller wounds. Using this gadget is faster than traditional stitches, which is the most important factor during emergency cases. Also, you can adjust the tension so you will feel comfortable and safe. Number 8. Somewhere Global Satellite Hotspot. With this gadget, you get to turn your phone into a satellite communication device. With the Somewhere Global Hotspot and mobile app, you can enjoy the following digital essentials anywhere on Earth: two-way satellite text messaging, weather reports, interval location tracking, 24/7 SOS monitoring and support through Geos worldwide, web app for friends and family to easily chat and view your location. The gadget boasts a long-lasting battery, 1,000+ messages sent received per charge, and its hotspot will last for over 10 days with 10-minute interval tracking. Size and weight also put this gadget at an advantage. The compact form factor of the gadget is 3 inches by 3.6 inches by 0.8 inches and only weighs 4 ounces. The gadget also features water resistance at 2 meters for 30 minutes. It even floats, so you don't need to worry if it mistakenly falls into the water. The gadget is also wireless and integrated Bluetooth Low Energy. You can latch the hotspot to your backpack and forget it's even there. The gadget is built for all seasons. It will be there in snow and shine, with its operating temperature range set at -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140. Number 7. Auto Escape 3-in-1 Emergency Car Tool. This high-power gadget, with a vivid SOS strobe mode, integrates 2 escape tools, vital and desperate situations, into its handle a seatbelt cutter and dual window punch glass breakers. Auto Escape is a life-saving tool you want close by you when roadside emergencies turn extreme. The gadget features a military-grade aerospace aluminum body, which is both waterproof, ANSI certified IPX7, and impact resistant, up to 1 meter, allowing the gadget to withstand the toughest emergency conditions. With a strong 135 lumen high beam, the gadget offers ample power to illuminate your surroundings. The low beam lets you see what you're doing up close and lasts up to 20 hours. In emergency mode, The flashlight automatically flashes the universal SOS Distress Signal. The gadget also features an inside tungsten steel puncture point engineered to easily break any tempered car window. The outside window punch is constructed with a hardened blunt force steel ball. To optimize response time, a high-strength mount is included. The gadget is equipped with an industrial-grade adhesive, allowing it to be positioned anywhere you choose in your vehicle. Number 6. BivvyStick Blue Satellite Communicator Device. BivvyStick is the smallest, most simple satellite communication device in the world. The gadget is easy to take anywhere you go and even easier to use. With its affordable and flexible data plans, you keep your adventure budget for actual adventuring. With this gadget, you get to experience the most efficient way to communicate from the backcountry. With a simple design and friendly user interface on the app, it has never been easier to share your location, get a weather report, send a message, or initiate an SOS. The gadget weighs 100 grams, about half the weight of a cell phone. It also features a two-way text satellite communicator. Using the gadget, you can send text messages to phone numbers or email addresses, and also send unlimited prepared messages for free. Using the gadget, you will receive a dedicated phone number that will not expire as long as the account is active and can locate, share, and track. The gadget also features 100% global satellite coverage. It works anywhere you can see the sky. Number 5. Onyx M16 Belt Pack Inflatable Life Jacket. Onyx Belt Pack Manual Inflatable Life Jacket is a gadget that inflates by manual activation or oral inflation. It is a convenient, compact belt pack style that allows total freedom of movement when fishing, flatwater paddling, stand-up paddleboarding, sailing, recreational boating, and hunting. The gadget provides comfort, safety, and peace of mind without knowing you have it on until you may need it. It has a zippered pocket for convenient storage of keys, cell phones, licenses, etc. Also, the gadget's regalia pulls a guide for predictable inflation and assists in replacing. It comes with a convenient reusable mesh storage carrying bag, so you don't have to worry about moving it on the go. Number 4. Leatherman Signal 19-Use Emergency MultiTool. This gadget is designed for outdoor use only. It contains a fire starter, hammer, one-handed blade, and an emergency whistle. The gadget is a perfect fit for any adventurer. It combines 19 useful tools into a compact 4.5-inch size. It readies you for the unexpected with its fire-starting ferro rod, 420 HC combo blade, and emergency whistle. You can tighten your gear with a customizable bit driver and anchor your tent stakes with the built-in hammer. The gadget is built with the strongest pliers ever produced and a handle made to be gripped with gloves. The gadget features knives, pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, an electrical crimper, a wire stripper, bottle and can openers, a file, saw, an awl, and a ruler. With the gadget's heavy-duty yet portable size and lanyard ring, the gadget can always be within reach and ready to work. Number 3. Dapper Design Clip EDC Titanium Knife. The clip is expertly engineered using grade 5 titanium and designed to withstand serious abuse, making it a durable companion for the most demanding cutting needs. The gadget boasts of a perfect balance of tension and flexibility, not too tight, not too loose. Just safely put it on your belt loop, put it in your pocket, put it wherever. You'll never have a dull moment with clip by your side. You can use the built-in knife for almost any cutting task, open letters, packages, remove staples, or defend yourself in an emergency. The gadget's versatility and unique design make it ideal for your everyday adventures, and it's ready to be unclipped whenever you need it. Use clip as a suspension hook with keys attached or as a standalone pocket knife. The blade can even be deployed while still attached to your keyring. While the gadget works with most standard split keyrings, it is of the belief that twist-lock steel cable rings are best for strength, security, and style. This gadget is for everybody. Number 2. Pyro Putty Malleable Fire Starter. Life throws curveballs every day, so Pyro Putty is a must-have for anyone and everyone. The gadget's proprietary blend allows you to build a fire at any given time. Cold, hot, wet, or wind, light it up. The gadget is fully waterproof and weatherproof. The gadget keeps you safe and dry because it performs where others will not. It even stays lit while floating in water. The gadget's weight also gives it advantage over similar gadgets. It is compact and convenient to transport. Number 1. Biolite Prep Kit's emergency gear. Safety remains the utmost concern for everyone after the occurrence of a disastrous event, be it a tornado, hurricane, earthquake, or other major disastrous event. Biolite Emergency Kit is designed to keep everyone safe after such a bad occurrence. The gadget features 72-hour sustainability. The first 72 hours after a disaster are the most critical. With this emergency survival gadget, you'll have all the supplies, nutrition, and water needed for 72 hours of comfortable survival. Superior quality supplies. All of the items provided in the emergency gadget are premium. Emergency water to one fully stocked first aid kit, and solar are top-of-the-line quality, giving peace of mind. All you need in one place. With this emergency preparedness pack, rest assured that you have the basic supplies needed for survival in an emergency. Save yourself hours and money searching and purchasing all items with one bag that's ready to go. Basic first aid. After an emergency, healthcare providers may not be able to reach you for some time. Be prepared to administer minor first aid with the variety of basic supplies and guide in this basic emergency survival bag. A modern person isn't completely reliant on gadgets like smartphones, but life-saving gadgets listed in this video. There you have it, the 10 devices that can save your life. The links to get any of these amazing gadgets is right below in the description box, so head on down there to get the prices. You might need it or know someone who might need it someday. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the like button and also smash the subscribe button to be part of the unique family. Make sure to smash that too to be among the first to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Till next time, y'all.